Okay, so you guys, welcome back to my channel. Kami lami nguJozi, abangaziyo ngiyabonga ukuthi nibuyile. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nibuyile. I'm a storyteller, ngikhuluma istory ezenzeke real life. If story esenzeke empilweni yakho traumatizing that you cannot share with anybody else. Asho malita bengwa hawo inbox ku TikTok ngizokuthendela inamba la ungasenda khona istory sakho mina ngisala. Ngisifa balaleli bathayithi barena and then bakhona ukufa advice ukuthi khona ukunavigate impilo yakho moving forward. Okay, sure. Asisangibhalelo ashozi besiphumile senze i-ladies trip mina namagirls wami. So masiphumile saye to this certain province masifika lapha abamona. So last night date we were like, you know what, angeke sijike singakaya ngokudis famous place ngiyabona. So siyayi ke more yango thing ashozi ayisifike lapha yana rabanyana bakathi ko smart kalicebisana hey clever sikhiphile hey uriskiphena amathanga sibahle, makeup is on point, recarbonate, everything it's nice. Uthi masifika lapha masifika silokuthi kunengitafula kunamanye amachita. Uthi masigena lapha vele kunamanye bobhutisa vele babukhe itafula vele ku VIP area. Yabona VIP. Yeah, VIP umuntu ongagroove khona ukumbona yazi. VIP area yabona. So uthi vele bahleli lapho vele imabhotlela onke uthi one of the guys vele angitsipile ilihlo nami ngilitsiphe big yabona. Sizothi sisuthandi. Thando ashozi mugaye R lena ke asmile lena ke smile back uri abona wena ongegabotsebotse ngakhulumisana naye singakhuluma athi kimi athi mina nami ngithi kuye ngithi okay vele aphakama vele esetafuleni abuthina besihleli khona uthi akafika athi wangivisual uthi usisi uthi ngimbuza ngithi wena wangivisa so ngathi ngingane encane ngathi I'm not a child yabona. Uthi okay vele ahleka athi wena ufani yazi ngiyabona. Uthi okay ahleka uthi hayi conversation qala khona lapho sikhulume no guys robulele uthi hayi ama conversation aflow okay as invite vele kutafula yakhe nabangani bakhe uthi vele sila phayana masifika abangani bakhe bashowed some of the friends bebashadile. Uthi one thing ngayithanda ngabo like ba respect abangani bami azange kube ukuthi la majida la makaphumile bonke sebafuna ukushela lapha because of ungani wabo shela umuntu one kule group esamana. Uthi sachila everyone ngoba mnandi kwabe mina ugayi athi kimi athi ngicela inamba yakho cause ngiyabona mina nawe like sazwana and ngiyazula ngozula umfazi. Uthi ashozi oyithi gender ihore jwang they always tell you ukuthi batho nyala basanya konyala bayeka one thing. Uthi ngathi if userious ngiphi number yakho and then mina ngizokushaya ka WhatsApp angifika la masijika ngifika la sihlala khona ngixoshapha ka WhatsApp if you remember ukuthi ngingubani ngizobona ngawo yabona. Kodwa asizozi angiphe inamba uthi ngama WhatsApp same time ngithatha inamba vele ngestory phone yami hayi girls trip ifele rijikerwele mrago or after 2 weeks ngimwhatsappele ngithi hi yabona. Uthi immediately mangithi hi uthi ku profile picture yami bengafakanga mina. Uthi ku profile picture yami bengifake emoji bengafakanga mina. Uthi ngathi hi naye wathi hi qeda ngapha ukuthi do you remember me ugayi bathi wathi finally waze wangicontact. Uthi ngabona lapho ukuthi ugayi umuntu ongathanda amantombazana like if he knows ukuthi ukhuluma nobani it clearly shows ukuthi after since ngihambile azange ube nentombazana ayiphi number yakhe so I'm the only girl yabona. Or awusizozi ube lapho ukuthi mina no guys sakhuluma uthi malesa sikhathi sikhuluma kule ndawo lebisikiyo like azange sikhulume beyond or uyirangi uberekang azange sikhulumele just ukuthi be umuntu vele angitshela ukuthi ngiyarata you look lovely you smell nice induna nzejwa azange sibe deep ku conversation manje ngoba sesinama contact numbers yabona. Aqale ke angibuze wenzani ilanga lakho linjani ngibonzani the whole day ngichaza ukuthi no bengisemsebenzini angibuze usebenza kuphi kube conversation iqala kanjalo ngicommunicate naye ukuthi ugayi naye nali business ayirana but like mombheka awushuza sibathu bale ukamasishebang from kwar onali chelete onali business uthi like I business yakhe ne image yakhe as a meshi at all like he's just a different person. Uthi okay sharp awushuzi angitshela ukuthi usebenza kwenzani business yakhe and uyafly and then uza decide la ngakhona for a business proposal so uyafisa ukuthi angangibona after the meeting or awushuzi imje ukuthi ngizange semsebenzini but I arrange ukuthi ngithatha i-F day uthi ayike komeriko ngivela ngitshela ukuthi nongiledile singahlangana kuphi please ngitshela indawo la singahlangana khona so that ngikhona urefer up business meeting yami masinya then sihlangane uthi ngimtshele ukuthi no mina ngiyonokha off ngo-12 so by 12 o'clock ngizobona ukuthi ngichecka mungara kaya ngodeni kokaya then ngizokusendela i-location ipin location lapho ngikhona khona sharp. What I was just ibe kanjalo vele i-12 ushaya ngene emotweni ngidrive ngiye ku location ekenya ke restaurant ekenya ngore kopanele kodeni because lena ke batla free lunch uthi vele ngifike vele ngimsendele i-location umuntu vele athathe about 10 to 15 minutes uthi afike uthi makafika vele ukay like abe happy what I was just guy ke those guys ba ratang banyana ba para sexy ke banyana ba ke guy o ratang ho ngwana bona hale body type bona hale where according to your body type ke bona hore ke batho ba so uthang compliment ukaya compliment ngcoke kamnandi ngcoke kahle I still smell as fresh flowers or also like that person begalali lihlula attention to detail or like attention to detail bolento gagwe like uzokubheka ukuthi uthanda ini yabona uthi is odukudla sihle i-conversation ethu iqhubeke ukaya athi phela mina ngibookile hotel I'm going to sleep over the side so if you are interested or you are keen ukuthi ungeza ngizobona la ngihlala khona invite okay lo uthi ngiyambheka ngithi lo uyazi ngithatha cheap ngoba ubook hotel cabanga ukuthi ngizorana after yena uthi ngamtshela ngathi mina abuthi kinal black aka and kinal lido ukuthi clean so I don't think ukuthi nganya korobala ko the hotel nginale ngi bed bugs and stuff like that no I can't yo nganyana Aisha you know what you want yabona so uthi vele ugayi vele ahle athi no I didn't invite you ukuthi ngizola sleeper over I'm just saying ukuthi if you want to see la ngihlala khona no ungeza ukele uthi ngathi decline vele ngathi no I can't unless sometime mawungabuya ngapha la ngafuna ukwazi la uhlala khona but for now no I'm fine uthi sihlale awusoze ureduce relula until ngabo 3 since sihlangane ngabo past 12 sahlala until ngabo 3 uguy was like oh nangikhathele ukuhlala lana like can't we go somewhere else la singakhona sichile khona kube mnandi yabona or I was just it's okay no fine there is this slow lounge ngiyaziyo we can go chill lapho yabona uthi vele sihambe phela semina abantu basemsebenzini is not that busy uthi sifike lapho around 4 masifika vele sihlalo ubrother sivela athengile something to drink uthi nama ngithengele ibottle la wine really I was just iqoqe or everything really aligning abuti like everything ayibuwang like ikulobona like ukona lena the way like uncomplimenting abantu babangibheka athi yabona babheke wena umfazi wami ena ngifuna ukuthi bakuthathe mina ngakuthathanga yabona lelo nyaka tshela ukuthi sihlale lapho awusozi until ngabo 7 ngitshilo mina kusasa pregnant I need to go to work so wena usawulala kusasa wena uzakuvukulele mina phela fanele ngifike ekseni ngimsebenzini so mina ngiyahamba or awusozi angikhaphe emotweni yami afika agibele emotweni yami ahlale nami I see like something in me ithi ngabuyeki if ngeke ngisakubona abafana basemathandweni shembayekeni so okay Lord I was sure this person like ke bona or like interested kimi and like akayenzi ngabo umshem uthi asihlale until ngabo 8 around 8 ngithi ngiyahamba uthi vele ngishaya ngikiss vele ngihambe uthi emangisendleleni angifonele athi I want to call you until uzofike I want to talk to you until uzofike endlini akuhlala khona or I was just ngilenzela ukuvele ke call until ngifika mokilula ngodeni aprala sabato dropa so manje uyaconvert ke i-call to a video call so uthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi wenzani I was just ngifihla konhlungu ngifike ngithi yabona ngifuna ukuthi ngifuna ukupheka athi no beka ifone ku kitchen counter ngifuna ukubona the whole time mawupheka or awuthi nako yena ufihlele ku hotel room ngehayi umuntu uyaqala uya undressa ko video call ngilangikudqa ari ko video call umuntu uyaqala undress uthi yazi ngifuna ukugeza but ngifuna udropa ifone ngageza like ongibhekile na ma 666 ngeke siwakhona shep abona ugele uthi ngithi okay uthi gibele phone mbona ngisho ngisikhipha busy ngichoppa because ngipreparela i-lunch box ya tomorrow and ngiyapheka lo bona so uthi ubrother sima kakhulu or lithola sichaba lelo phone or my eyes beha pop athi I want to see with why lo muntu afuna ukuthi geze first time ageze like phambi kwami but to ifone uthi guy vele akhumule awusize usisi uri awusize ilihlo ari little child uzozitshela ukuthi angifuni ukubheka ari mara maqho uzozithola uthi ze amehlo am like beka glued up to iphone yami cause ke batla bona motho a tisayitang ho rena o batla hlafa in front of me so uthi ngambheka uthi ugayi wageza waqeda uri awustrose from that day nangayi ready uthi yo athi abantu banama tricks awusawubotha ama-quatonal tricks uthi okay mina ukuthi ahambe vele kusasa a check out uthi uyangatsapha ke ekseni uthi you know what I'm not leaving ngifeel like angikhona ukuyeka ukuthi uhambe so ungabe ngakubonanga so is it possible if ungacela after namuhla usigolise ke uxoxa umpona ona kompleke nyaka or I was just because of likho belibona intengwa pelo ya re tsamaya wayana uthi ngazigulisa vele ekseni ngabasiboneni uthi I'm not feeling well inketla ke le better or I was just ngabe sengiyageza ke nyaka brothers hotel ngihawu I was just sayisayina a deal together mina nomugayi uthi bengingazi ukuthi kuyoqala izinkinga netikhona lapho nekhe sathe because uguy was so persistent ukuthi fanele ngize hotelini yakhe like beyangafuna ukuthi ahambe ngingakambonanga okay kaya kasifanele the whole day kave karoba la thing tomorrow morning I check out la tomorrow morning I went to work what I was choosing no problem okay kube ukuthi umuntu soza ngapha vele kaningi because okay ngeke ukhechitse phela uthole intombazana thola uthandi yabona uthi hayi okay kube umuntu oza ngapha vele kaningi I decided ukuthi you know what I'm thinking of ngibe based ngapha ngizohamba ngihle ngiyochecka ibusiness yami but most of the time spend isikhathi ngapha nawe because I cannot live without you sharp I was Josie kuba ukuthi ugayi 6 months down the line kuba umuntu ukuthi uthumela abantu basekibo ekithi uyalobola hayi like life was lifing man guy unalethelete was very stable after malobolo guy was like you know what you need to check for a place for us because angeke ngiphile ngihlala mina emzini womfazi like isimilo sami asivumi I was just ke bathe black ugayi vele naye abheke online sithole vele indawo a decent place ugayi was like this is my place so hlala lana uthi ngiphe no guys sihlale I was just bophelo bube sharp uthi one time I was just 2 weeks esimuvile endlini le esha sihlala kiyo uthi man ngibone like athi yabona lama plastic labenza ngawo ama ice babiza ini lama plastic la ngibamba mara ngisho athi like kube ngathi kune red powder so emaplastikini uthi okunye ngathi kube nenhlabathi but not less ijwayele like kunanenhlabathi fen like akuthi lishubana ka red plastic siyo uthi ngizibuza ukuthi lo muntu lona like ngiluthe ketayini because of azange mina ngimuzwe athi uyenyangeni or something azange size sikhulume katabatsali ngaka or I was sure see how ngikhiphele sonke lezinto vele ngizibeke etafuleni 2 weeks after smooth in ibeko tandom kotafuleni or ubhalala sivela afika makafike ngiyambuza ke ukuthi manje ke ngilothe kanti so sebenzisa imithi mina sangisho ukuthi unohamba izinyanga or I was sure uguy vela veka ngibheka athi ubantu uthatha izinto zami abothi uphuphisa izinto zami ubantu uzophatha izinto zami or I was sure from that loving partner ne umuntu onothando umuntu ongirespecta umuntu ongcomplimenta kanjalo like umuntu one attention to detail everything ngigcoka if this that is I make chocolate I be mixadise which from that person umuntu yazi wasnapper like this wathi wabamba izinto zami wathola ukuthi akabonkuru uphuphisa izinto zami ngesasebenza ubani uzobamba izinto zami mina ngingekho bofuna litrowareni lami lamasokisi ngingekho wabona or ashuze musikibona umuntu kabotsibotsi uphila a double life mina I thought ukuthi umuntu right or sweet chikijise umuntu ohash like really 6 months so what's going on I need to find out what's going on you need to come clean to me uthi ngitshela vele okay I was like wena wabona kuphi business erana nje umoya unqwile wabona kuphi business erana nje umoya unqwile at least into lezi business yami and please next time don't touch my things mina ngingekho ngiyacela uthi vela khulume nama hash abolela so iloro wayimela ku couching uya ku comfortable ahluthule dilutsi latha hayi atsama ivele azise kodwa yakhe or asho ngishale lapha yana ngihlile sengishocked akithi work apologize or ke bophelo or phela ngibona bo akilobona uthi hayi vele ubrother's vele kazana vele sisikase moto vele aphume vele ahambe angasho next or asho ngicontinue into bengizenza ngipheke ngiphaye ngiziphakela isikhaftini asho ngihambe ngigeze or ngisempedeni si-10 manje umuntu angabuyanga 11 umuntu angabuyanga 12 umuntu angabuyanga uthi ngimWhatsApp ngimbuza ukuthi ngilale na are you coming back or should I sleep? Are you safe lana khona uthi bekaqala nje kule 2 weeks esimove in together even before sahlala endaweni nami bengaso umuntu ohambayo if angaphuma athi you meet someone around 8:08 usendlini so akusulo umuntu lo ukuthi utsamaya mashigo asiyena yabona Oda awushoze ngiyenza umuntu angibritike angarespond athule athidu oda awushoze kebetheke lokho ngithobalele or kuseni mangivuka ngibhekisa into umuntu angabuya akekho endlini or awushoze ngithatha ukuthi you know what mina nginamama ngimsile ngumamncane sengifonela umamncane ombele ngimtshela ukuthi mina ulona uThabiso mama yazi ngithole in ngambuza why ekuthala ukuthi since ahambile akangabuyanga umamncane noma athi you know what mntwana you two guys need to talk about this thing umamncane noma angitshela kahle athi nina need to fanele ukuthi nikhulume ngale things each and every problem any encounter especially now that you are married and hlala together ningafuni ukuthatha izinkinga zenu nisifake ngaphansi kwerug so akafika lana ukhulume naye yabona Awushoze vele ufika vele ngaboma 11 vele afika ugayima afika umuntu vele unukutshwala umuntu vele like umona ngore ukaro heartbroken bila ngarasanya kuba ngaro forced horake intlo uthi vele ngimhlalise phansi ngithi you know Thabiso we need to talk about izinto ngizibonile are you that person ukuthi uyathwala ukhendlile stuff like that uthi vele ngim-attack straight ngimbuze ukuthi uthwele ukhendlile uthi guy vele like amuthi angalala ngulila phuzu uthatha umosha izinto zami wathatha izinto zami thandi wathatha izinto zami umosha izinto zami like uyangimoshela awushoze umuntu asuke from 0 to 100 uthi umuntu athethe angadlali angithethise or kibona almost this thing is beyond me abathi ke hole yamfeta taba yabona uthi kathalana vele angasayogeza unukutshwala lo muntu lo uyamuthangalala akathi isikhe sakhe ahambe atsamaye or awushoze ngisho ukuthi you know what ngoba Thabiso ufuna ukuba umshibana ko strateng emagoqohela phela ukunyaka ngithi ngiphume kuye vele ngisho ukuthi you know what I give up continue ngezinto zami awushoze ngasabi nenkinga yakhe ngizele mina emsebenzini ngitsakelele kumele konke emshiye hore uyidira ngadire angizigini uthi for the whole week vele ngikube tense asikhulumisani kubo makufuna ugqulo vele sorry phela asikhulumisani masilala omunye ubheka lo omunye ubheka le like nothing awusana communication for the whole week or awushozi kuqale kube Saturday ekseni ngenza ilaundry or uThabiso vele angitshela ukuthi you know what into yenzela ngayithananga and izongcost impilo yami wayibo bamba lezi zinto lezani bosibambelana yabona uthi ngibuka lezi zinto lezi yini Thabiso so every day ngitshela ngezinto imithi like ngoba sengibamba imithi yakhe imoshekile imoshwe yini ngiyenzeni because angiyithanazela zangisprinklishe ngeholy water zangenze nothing ngidile ngikodi hlanga hawo if ever uthi ngimoshekile impilo uthi lezi zinto lezi uthi ngizoshona mina ngithethe semanje ngizoshona umpulayile athi ngifile ora awushoze umuntu okhuluma ngithiwa Saturday ngenziwa shini umuntu okhuluma kanjalo uthi around 1 athi yena uyahamba uya kumajiteng uthi ageze vele athi uya kumajiteng don't wait up uthi awushoze mina leso sikhathi bekulanga lami ukuthi ngenza amakhandi maintenance day yami uthi ngisihambele ngizenze maintenance day yami uthi mangibuye around 5 PM endlini umuntu vele angabuyanga ngithi ngoba uthi sengalinde amanye imiyeke urayi awushoze ngipheke ngiprepare ukudla kwa Sunday amasalad enza futhi Sunday ngabe ne busy day because I want to relax for Monday ngimsebenzini uthi hayi ngiprepare utsaka ngifethe or awushoze ngifetha ngeze vele uthi ngenise ngubeni vele ngilale ngacabangi vele anything about it ngama WhatsApp ngamcheck because of ushulathi don't wait up usisi uthi awushoze mina ngizilalele uthi around 3 AM phaphamba umuntu akungabuyanga uthi ngimfonele ifoni yakhe ayingeni ngithi wait king lo muntu lo emanye imiye cause ushekile uthi hayi nakilitsebe uthi hayi ngilale vele uthi ekseni awushoze mangibuka umuntu akangabuyanga still ngimfonele ifoni yakhe ayingeni or like something in me nje ukuthi no something wrong as much as angabukwatile ahamba but I don't think ukuthi angasola angabuya endlini yabona uri awushoze ngihlala endlini to extend ukuthi sengishaya uvalo ke manje ukuthi lo muntu lo wayakabuyi ngalesikhathi banisabuyile uthi leso sikhathi sengabuwane mina so la kangabuyanga ngisakhona ukuya emsebenzini sengine stress sakaka uthi ngiyamfonela ifoni ayingeni uthi around 3 PM awushoze kugogoda vele amaphoyisa makafika amaphoyisa angibuza ukuthi ngiyamazi usibani ngithi yebo ngiyamazi but is your husband ngithi yes bangitshela ukuthi bese cela ukuthi uhambe uyozi-identifyela isitombu ulasho sikimakala isitombu yeah it might be your husband because ithole imoto yakhe simthole phakathi kwemoto so we had to trace it and then kwaba ukuthi everything is lead back to la yabona ora awusoze ngizama vele kilo identifier sitopu mangifika lapha na vele awusoze ke mona waka uthi my husband uvele wakhipha isibamu wazidubula ahlele emotweni ora awusoze I don't know what happened why alidek to that level ukuthi asasibulale cause like besiku a new house isicethu shada simanyule words uthi everything yethu like be align be right but uguy decided ukuthi uyasibulala uthi makazi last bulale khona awushuzi buhalo uthi kuhara seat front seat uthi ngapha ku passenger seat kunamaphepha wakho wa everything ngiluzana lengizona like ubona ngathi umuntu already beka plan ukuthi vele I'm going to analyze myself because izinto zakhe zonke bekazibhakile vele efile everything yakhe the important documents every single thing yakhe ni hayibhakile ko filing or awusozi ko phone yakhe for bana amafoni ayi2 so le ebengimfonela battery bepheli battery uthi mangilight awushozi kungena i-message i-WhatsApp message efonini yami from yena mangichargisa immediately my lighter yenza i-receive mina ngireceive message uthi ungithayibhelile ifoni yakhe yacima before message ufika kimi uthi awushozi mangivula message ubela umyeni wami efonini yami uthi ngifonde awushozi umuntu abhala ukuthi umhlaba onzima the things azenzile so they are coming back to bite him so uyaxolisa the way he treated me like ukamuka ukhopela tshwarelo it wasn't his intentions and futhi uyazola ukuthi wayebehanyala because of untlisise bophelo ngibahage and bophelo boseng right and he was trying by all means ukuthi ashintshe but because of already need deep akasakhona ukuthi angaphuma azangabhale clear things like dulo sekede balangi dulo tsadi ngwadile it's okay awusuze no problem kube ukuthi ngifonele ama family members notify everyone awusuze ukuthi ngishonelwe stuff like that uthi ama family members as awusuze organ lo ngibe umuntu onangotra senkinela monaka uthi awusuze on Thursday weekend omncwabo uthi on Thursday umama wakhe athi kimi Makoti, I feel like umntwana moya wakhe ungalalanga so can we please go and consult ngihambe nawe ngakushiyi kusasonza ukuthi mina ngiyenzeni angayenzani bengicela Makoti ngihambe ucela umdala wasekini nami ngizohamba nomunye umuntu sihambe nisifo siyoza ukuthi lo muntu lo ubulayilwe ke or why ayibulayi pilapilo yabona no problem uthi mina like nama in-laws wami because of I was a new Makoti bengasi close nabo but nabo bebanganankinga nabo abantu aba very welcoming kumndeni wabo yabona uthi ayisihambe vele uthi ngicele umamncane ngithi mamncane sihambe uthi rizamay awushuze ro consult uthi masifika siyo consult bashaya amathambo phansi uthi ubaba vele ngiyikhanda athi lo muntu angashonanga unfortunately lo muntu angashonanga umuntu nimbonayo nithi ushonile akusuyi yena angashonanga yena ulembuyarile utlakodeni after Tlhokofala and yena uthethi shortcut bekungamelanga ukuthi ashone manje so for now because of what's shortcut utlonna kwali abereke kwawo until isikhathi sakho ukuthi ashone emhlabeni sifike kana azohamba ke ayiko laba abashonile but for now akekho kulaba basiki babashonile ukomitsini yabatho utawushoza umama khabuza umutsingi yabatho young cause umuntu uyipulayile enipulayile kasithunya uthokofethe same time umakhosi achaza ukuthi mama ngiyavuma ukuthi umuntu ushone same time but akangashonanga ushone ku physical world but ku spiritual world angashonanga usacrificeile khora aberekele motho narile nguto umberekela ifaka Tlhokofala awususi my husband bekathwele benomba kakhendlile and bekakhendle ngokuthi akumelanga ukuthi ashade bengakamelanga ukuthi ashade and beku sacrifice but uyashada uzoshona so bekazi ukuthi isikhathi sakhe siyeza So that's why yena decide ukuthi azibulale cause bekafear ukuthi isikhathi sakhe masofika uzaba ngasanalutho and then udongisa bophelo ba hore ke tlo sotlega. So yena wa decide ukuthi emazibulale before isikhathi lesi bathi zifa ukuthi ahambe ngaso if angashada umfazi ahambe ngaso. Uri awushoze umonaka uyibulayile and ukuzibulaleni kwakhe it's because of ukhendlile and into ekhendlile anyakore abele msadi. That's why behangana mfazi nanoma ngihlangana. That's why bengihlangana behangana girlfriend. So but uthatheke to an extent ukuthi athi lo muntu lena ngeke ngimiyeke kamrata. So I sacrifice impilo yakhe ukuthi ashade mina. Only for izinto lezi zonke ezenzekile for me finding out le mithi nokuthi yena agcina azazibulala is because of ngilelo zididile ngora ebulai. Because of bengakhona ukuba strong enough to handle izinto enazibonayo. Ora awushoze bambarbolela pila hore motho a teng le ka mo Mzansi male ngoteng mo olfaseng la kontle o berekela ko teng up until modimo mo bolela faseng. That's when la so khona ubuya khona singazihamba bomakhosi but ngeke sikhona ukumbuyisa because male ngoteng spiritually he's locked bamkhelele. So nanoma singathi siyahamba sifuna ukumbiza angeke azakhona ukubuya up until nathi akhe modimo if uNkulunkulu umthathana 70 or 80 shutho lina leyo sikhathi azathathe we spiritually or awushoze impilo ka like nesorore ka yema or how can this person amfikele taba ekana, how can this person ayenze whatever yenzile no ngiveri well ukuthi nakana sikhathi emhlabeni enazi ukuthi bathi mangaba nomfazi uzoshona why bemule ukuthi asacrifice yena. What else was isibisamo ukuthi ngibone imithi and it wasn't uthi makhosi revealed ukuthi I wasn't supposed to see ukuthi ubhuti uthwele and ukuthi ubhuti wasn't supposed to marry anybody because of ntwenana leona nesabahle hore abele msadi. So yena waphula imigomo nemiyayelo ayithole from lathwele khona. That's the reason abuta sahlala siteng ko moyeng ko spiritual world sakamo ayile ko kumafaseng konke. I always feel his presence. Manye one, I always feel ukuthi umuntu khona but that thing which I don't know ukuthi ngayenza kanjani to recover umoya wakhe ubuye ngapha eSouth Africa because basically ukuthi uyiphi country and more ukwabereka robale non-stop. So it pains me ukuthi someone that I love, someone that I trusted ngaba washwa sicela ukuthi inowati mina ngisona so kube yimi ukuthi nami if ngiyasifaka I should have known. So now sengifind out umuntu akasakhulumi, umuntu uthulile, umuntu usemuchari and ngifind out nabazali. So I was choosing, I just want to send this as an awareness or not everything you see it's gold, it glitters or diamonds and everything. Ara rephela maphelo alengbuthoko. Ara ke phela so knowing ukuthi my husband or somewhere outside the country uyasebenzela omunye umuntu. Like once